Hey everyone, this is Toons Hub Review. My name is Govind and welcome to you on Tech Evo. We are on the Toons Hub Review and demonstration video, and here I will show you each and everything about Toons Hub. This is the software to help you to fulfill your needs for 3D character animation and 3D cartoon characters. So one by one I will cover all the things and explain you what is the software and how you can perform with this software. Also I will explain you all the upgrades, all the OTOs and further upgrades of Toons Hub. So first let's talk about what is Toons Hub exactly. Toons Hub is a AI based 3D cartoon character generator platform where you can also generate videos in any niche. So this is the software come stock images bundle for fulfilling your needs of cartoon characters and the 3D characters. So this is the official website and sales page of Toons Hub. So what are the language the vendor of Toons Hub said on here this page? Okay, so world's first AI based 3D cartoon character and video maker platform at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI based 3D cartoon character generator platform to create unlimited stunning videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. So just 30 seconds is a myth, I think, because in 30 seconds you cannot create any stunning video. You can only download a 3D character by searching on their platform. Also you can download the pre-made video templates from the Toons Hub platform. So this can be take a long time for you to generate or to make the video for any niche. Okay, so now let's come to the Toons Hub review, which is available on Tech Evoke, which is my website. And why I'm taking to you in this review, because I have something special for you, that are Tech Evoke bonuses. So these bonuses are absolutely free with this Toons Hub software, and you don't have to pay for it. You will get along with the software once you purchase with my link. So the link is on the description. Go to my review, and if you like the software itself, then you can go with this, and all the bonuses you will get absolutely free. So let's come to the Toons Hub members area. So this is the members area, and here I will show you each and everything, how it works, how it perform, and what are the things you can do with this software. So Toons Hub is a bundle of tools, video tool and photo editing tool and the stock image library that are in three or you can say four segment. Okay, first segment is the character library. Here what you have to do, you have to go to the character library, and this is the category which is family, and here the four categories available: men, outfit female, outfit male, and women. So I'm going to the main, and men, you can select the men's color, brown, black or white. Supposingly I want to choose the brown color, and here the different type of men's character you will get. So after clicking any of the men's here, so you will see that this is the one of its kind of 3D character. Here you can download and use it anywhere. You can use it on the website, you can use it on any of the video. Just like I want to show you an example that is available on the sales page of Toons Hub. Here you can see these are the 3D character. You can see how it looks like, and how it increase the engagement of your sales page or of any your website. So this is the character. So you can see what are the use of these characters. So I can show you more things, more characters here. So you can go to another building up. So this is the building up character, you can see. Okay, so this is all about the characters. You can download in each and every color. The hair color has changed and the male female also included. Okay, so now come to the generate character. This is the tool where you can randomize the characters. What you have to do, you have to go to the generate and select the gender, and here you can generate. Every time when you click on generate, then a different type of character will appear here, and you can download if you like that character. Okay, so this is the tool, and every time whenever you choose a character, you can add to the favorite. Once you add on the favorite, all the character you have added on favorite, you can go to the favorite, and all the characters will appear in front of you. You can download those characters anytime you want, anytime you want to use. Okay, so let's come to the another option, which is photo cartoon. Photo cartoon is a cartoon creation where you can upload your own image or your colleague's image, any of the image you want to convert into a cartoon. You can upload here and then submit, and you can generate a cartoon character image. Okay, this is an amazing tool I have found on Toons Hub, and I like this tool alone, because if I go for any type of this technology tool, then I can go with this price range only. Okay, if I haven't got other features of Toons Hub, only the tool which create the photo from a real photo to the cartoon, then I can go for this. Okay, so let's come to the another option. I don't generate any of the image here, because if I generate, then this video will be very long. But for example, I want to show you one of the thing here. Okay, so just I have to choose one of the photo. So this is my photo, one of my photo. I can submit it, and after submitting, you will see how it looks like, how it can generate a cartoon image of your real image. So you can see now my image has changed into the cartoon. This image is not fully perfect because I haven't added the high quality image here. So whatever the image quality, that depends, and your result will affect from your photo. So make sure you will upload the high quality image so that you get the fine and good result. Okay, so let's come to another option, which is search image. This is a image library where you can search any of the image. Just like I want to search for the cat image, so when you search for the cat, then cat's images are available here, and you can download and use anywhere you want. These all are stock images, and you will not face any copyright problem with these images. So you are free to use these images. You cannot get any of the copyright issues. Okay, so this is the stock library, image stock library. Here whatever you can choose. Just like I want to search for internet images, and just I have to internet spelling mistake, then just you have to search the term, and you will get all the images related to that term. Okay, so this is as easy as searching images on Google, but in Google you will get the mix of images, and if you apply the filter on Google, then you will get all limited options, limited images that you cannot use on your website, because those images are not pretty much attractive, and you can also not go to those images, because those images are very old or not for use. Okay, so this is image library, that's it. If you want to search for anything, then you can search here and you will get the image. So let's come to the another option, which is search video. So just like search image, you can search the video, whatever the video I want to get the affiliate video, then I have to search, and this video is not available, so I have to search another term. I am searching map. Yeah, so you can see the map videos are available, and once I click here, then you can see the preview of map, and also you can download your video in high quality. Okay, so this is as easy as using any of the software around the web. Okay, so let's come to the another option, which is video templates. Here are the video templates you can download anytime. Okay, so this is a logo intro template, this is a logo outro template. So any of the video template you want to use, you can download and edit that video, and you can go for that video to use on any of your website, any of your ad creation, any where you want to use. Okay, so that's it for with front end of Tools Hub. This is the front end access of Tools Hub. So whatever the options available here, all the options will not available on Tools Hub. Once you go for the front end, you have to upgrade your Tools Hub license, because there are limited features in Tools Hub. You can go to the OTO details on my review, which is available on TechEvoke. Once you go to the review, you have to go to the OTO and upgrades. Here all the details you will get on OTOs. So this is the front end. Whatever you will get in front end, these are available here. So if you go for advanced options, then you have to upgrade it for OTO 1 and also OTO 2 for agency license. So what is the agency license? If you want to use your software to give the services to your clients or to any other by which you want to get the service charge, then you have to upgrade it for OTO 2. This is the OTO 3, which is audio edition license. So and there are lots of upgrades available here according to the features you want with Tools Hub. So I'm recommending you to go to the OTO 1 or OTO 2 to get the full benefit of Tools Hub. So this is all about Tools Hub. Hope you like the video and the explanation of this video. So don't forget to check out my bonuses, which are available on TechEvoke, and the link is available on the description. You can go to the description and find the link, and after finding the link you can go for the software. Once you buy the software, you will get all the bonuses for free that I have shown you recently, and again I am showing you. So this is all about Tools Hub. Thank you.